The saturation point is a point where the demand for the product starts decreasing slowly. What is saturation? Saturation point is a point where the demand for the product start decreasing. The Ford is a foreign company. So in that Ford in the country, the demand for Ford car decreased in that country, Ford entered into our market. 7 foreign markets are opened. It's an opportunity for assuring the growth. What is saturation point, children? What is saturation point? It's a point where the demand of the product start decreasing. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Every product is having a saturation point. See now, electronic car, electronic buses, electronic autos are in the market, in Indian market. There will be huge demand, but that demand will start decreasing after a particular point. Then the manufacturers will think about entering into other markets, market in other countries. So when the demand for the product start decreasing, company can grow if there is foreign market. That's the meaning. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Now
explanation.
we have to see the prospects for growth. The third point.
Sorry.
So in the advantages of that, we have to see the third point. Explanation you have to say, sir.
Third point only I am saying prospects for growth. Third point only I am saying, see when the product is reaching saturation point. Saturation point means demand start decreasing. For every product there is a saturation point. What is saturation point? Demand starts decreasing, coming down. In that, yes, in that country. So when there is foreign markets, it is an opportunity for assuring the growth. Without doing business, nobody can grow. Business firms have to assure new and new orders. They should get order from any place. Then only they can maintain the business, they can grow the business. So international business is an opportunity for growth. Right? International business is an opportunity for growth. That's explanation. Okay. After writing, tell me, I will explain the next point.
Returns.
Okay. What's the next point? Way out to
intense competition in domestic
market.
see, in India, same product is sold by many business enterprises. Buses are manufactured by Tata, Ashok Leyland, many companies. When there is competition, when there is competition, what will happen? Many companies will be selling the buses at less price. So demand for those buses for which prices are not reduced will be increasing or decreasing. Suppose bus, take the case of school bus. School bus, suppose Tata is selling school bus for 3 lakh rupees. Ashok Leyland is selling the school bus for 4 lakh rupees. So people will be buying Tata or Ashok Leyland.
Tata.
Yes. So demand for Ashok Leyland will be slowly decreasing. Suppose Ashok Leyland is getting an order from Japan to sell 1,000 buses. So they will smile or they will cry. Are you in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But you are not giving a response. I am asking some question. Narishri, can you own
Sir,
your
once again you ask, sir.
Can you own your camera, children? Are you there in the class or simply names are appearing and doing some other work?
Yes, sir.
Nalafi, can you own your camera? Kavishri, can you show your notebook?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Madhusri. Okay, Kavishri. Madhusri,
Sir.
can you show your notebook?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Madhusri. Vishal, can you show your notebook? I told an example. Tata is selling school bus at 3 lakh rupees. Ashok Leyland is selling school bus for 4 lakh rupees. People will be buying, the schools will be buying Tata bus only. Suppose Ashok Leyland is getting an order from Japan for 1,000 buses. So Ashok Leyland company will be smiling or crying. I didn't get any response from you. Anyway, leave it.
Sir, they'll get huge amounts, sir.
We will leave it. You can write, it's an opportunity for growth. When there is competition. When companies are competing each other, getting order from international market is a matter of pressure. Okay. They can grow.
Yes, sir.
I write this. So, what is next point? Can you read next point, Dylan?
Improved business.
Improved business work.
Yes, improved business.
Improved business.
Yes. Improved business vision. Improved business vision. The company want to become international means that vision to improve, the vision to become international is from the urge to grow. The vision to become international is it shows the urge, that intense desire to grow.
Urge to grow.
Yes. Some company want to become international, it shows that they have intense desire. Urge means intense desire to grow. That's the explanation. The vision to become international shows the intense desire. That is urge. Urge means, meaning of urge, intense desire
Intense desire.
to grow. That's the explanation. The benefits to firms is over. Tomorrow we will learn disadvantages of international business.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow means Monday. For internal mark, we can send the images. Okay, bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Welcome.